the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a cold process soap with 3 fruits and insert, a pineapple, a strawberry and a grape, named fruit salad. For the top I made some mini fruits, also in medel pour. For the recipe I'm using cocoa butter, coconut oil, olive oil, copra oil, pistachio oil, linseed oil and hazelnut oil. I choose a super fat of 6% in light diminution. I'm also added some coconut cream and oat milk. For its scents, I'm using strawberry kiwi fragrance oil. You can find my recipe in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now. happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just